Meaning of defined benefit.
Defined benefit.
Defined benefit.
Defined benefit.
Defined benefit. Defined benefit is a type of retirement plan in which an employer promises to pay a specified amount of benefits upon retirement, based on a predetermined formula. This formula typically takes into account factors such as the employee's salary and years of service with the company. The benefit payments continue for the life of the retiree and may also include survivorship benefits for the retiree's spouse or other beneficiaries. With a defined benefit plan, the investment risk and responsibility lie with the employer rather than the employee.